Hi creatives, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If today is your first time of stopping by, you are welcomed. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing us how to make gathers. Making gathers is quite simple to do, but most people don't know how to do it properly or accurately. So in today's tutorial, I'll be showing us how to accurately make gathers, and when you're pulling it, the right technique you should use to pull your gathers. So I'll go over to the sewing machine and make loose stitch, two lines of loose stitch. I'll make two lines of loose stitch, then I'll come back. I've made the loose stitch, right? Then the ends, I left some piece of thread at the end, and I also did not backstitch. When you want to start making your gathers, you don't backstitch, you just start sewing. You don't lock your stitch from this end, from the beginning. Also at the end, you don't lock the stitch, you just leave it. That is backstitching it. The next thing I'm going to do is to tie this end, so that when I'm pulling, this one will not get into the fabric, and then it will loosen. So I'll just tie this end this way, so that when I'm pulling, it will be secured, right? Another way to secure this part is to use pin. This way, you just put the pin this way, this end, right? Then you wrap the thread around it. That way you secure it, right? So that when you're pulling, this thread doesn't get into the fabric. But I've already tied it, so I don't need this pin. I've secured it here already, right? So the next thing I'm going to do is take this other end from the back. The back is usually loosed, right? So I'll just pick the back threads, as you can see. I've picked the two back threads. So what I'm just going to do is to begin to pull this way, right? I'll pull. When I pull, I shift to this place, I pull. It's only the fabric I'm pulling, right? I'll take it this way. As you can see, I am gradually making my gathers. See how easy it is going. You just pull. This way you don't have the issue of when you're almost at the end of your gathers, pulling your gathers, your thread will cut. You know how heartbreaking that can be. Most times you might even decide to abandon the project. So this is the best way to do it. You just pull your fabric, no matter how long the fabric is, you just pull it. Can you see? When you pull, you arrange it. With the doubled thread, right, the fabric is not going to be be folding inside, right? You know, when you make just one stitch, it is going to be folded inside. Like the way it will fold, you have to really really struggle and take your time to arrange it. But this way, this two thread, it's not going to fold inside. I hope you understand me. So this is it. So I've made the gathers is ready. So you can attach those gathers to any part of your dress. The sleeves, you can use it for skirts, you can also use it at the hem of a dress. Any part of your dress you want to use your gathers for, you want to make any kind of design, you can make. This can also serve as ruffles. I hope you understand me. So this is basically it. Have to trim off this dress because the fabric is fraying. So that's it for today's tutorial. If you found this video useful, please give this video a thumbs up, and if you have not subscribed, please subscribe to this channel, leave a comment, and also share this video.